Understanding Rolling Admissions, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that you might come across if you're exploring educational opportunities, especially in the United States. We're going to explain rolling admissions, a term used by colleges and universities during their application process. By the end of this video, you'll understand what rolling admissions are and how they can affect your application strategy. Let's get started. Rolling admissions is a policy used by many colleges and universities to evaluate applications as they arrive, rather than after a set deadline. This means that instead of waiting for a deadline to submit your application, you can send it in at any time during the admissions period, which usually spans several months. One of the key advantages of rolling admissions is that it can often lead to earlier notification about your acceptance status. Because schools review applications continuously, they also make decisions on a regular basis, allowing applicants to find out sooner whether they've been accepted. In rolling admissions, once your application is complete, with all the required documents and forms submitted, it goes into a queue for review. Admissions officers review applications in the order they are received and make decisions accordingly. It's important to understand that while there is no strict deadline, many schools with rolling admissions still have a priority date or a soft deadline. Applying before this date can increase your chances of acceptance and give you better opportunities for scholarships, housing, and course selection. Rolling admissions offer several benefits for students. Flexibility. You can apply when you are ready and have all your materials prepared, without the pressure of a hard deadline. Early results. Applying early in the rolling admissions window can lead to quicker decisions, helping you plan your education and future more effectively. Less competition initially. Applying earlier means your application may be reviewed when fewer applications are in the queue, potentially increasing your chances of acceptance. When applying to a school with rolling admissions, consider these strategies. Apply early. Although there's no set deadline, submitting your application early can be beneficial. It ensures that you're considered before many other applicants and when the school has the most spots available. Prepare your materials in advance. Ensure that your application is strong. Work on your essays, gather your transcripts, and ask for recommendations well before you plan to submit your application. Follow up. After submitting your application, keep in touch with the admissions office to confirm that your application is complete and to express your continued interest in the school. Rolling admissions can be a great opportunity for many students, offering flexibility and the potential for early acceptance. Remember, the key to a successful application is preparation and timeliness. We hope this video has clarified what rolling admissions are and how you can navigate them effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Until next time, happy learning!